Radhe everyone. Today I'm going to talk about Saturn in the 4th house. So what is 4th house in astrology? 4th house is the house of our mother. 4th house is the house of our basic education. 4th house is the house of our peace of mind, home and all that. So and Saturn, what is Saturn? Saturn is all that which we don't like in our lives. Like we don't like delays, we don't like frustration, we don't want to do any hardship, any hard work, we don't have any patience for anything, particularly in this world, because people are busy watching reels. No one even wants to watch this video. So the thing is that this planet, this heavy cold planet of karma, is going to come and sit in the house of comfort, peace of mind, mother's education, household. What is going to come out of it? Okay, so I think you might have guessed, and I'm sure that you have guessed correctly. So obviously a very disciplined home environment, a very structured environment, a very disciplined mother, because mother may have had her own hardships, I'm sure about it. And also the life of the native is very organized, very disciplined, very routine oriented. Okay, because see, 4th house is also the Kendra houses. It's a very strong placement of Saturn. Wherever Saturn sits in 1st, 4th, 7th or 10th, it's the Kendra house position, and obviously Saturn gets very good position there. And particularly if it's a good sign like sign of Libra or Capricorn, its own sign Aquarius, then it's a very good placement. So no need to be afraid about it. Saturn is sitting in the 4th house, is showing that you have to live a life of a disciplined person. In case you're not liking it, then start doing it today. Okay, your mother must be very disciplined, which might have irritated you, but it's okay. That's your karma, to have a disciplined mother, to have a disciplined life, to have a disciplined and organized life, and to live responsibly. That's the karma that Saturn is representing by being at the 4th house. So Saturn is also having, just not aspecting this house where it is sitting, but is also aspecting by its 3 aspects, which are 3, 7 and 10. Okay, so Saturn has 3 aspects. We have already read it in our previous videos. So by its 3rd aspect, 1, 2 and 3, 3rd aspect is going in the 6th house. 6th house is the house of our deaths, disease and litigation. And the best part is, whenever Saturn aspects Dushtana houses, or whenever Saturn sits in any of the Dushtana houses, then all the negative qualities of those houses get repressed, and that's very good. So a person can definitely have a good career in the field of law, or surgeon, or doctor, healer, anything related to, because this 6th house is also law, it's also diseases, so it's also medical field, and loan officer can also be somebody, because it's also debts. So that would be the profession that this native might have. And Saturn is also aspecting the 10th house of career and fame. So fame of this person, fame of this native, and career of this native, and the reputation that you have with the authority will definitely rise only after the age of 30, 32, or max to max 36. But definitely if you will have patience, hard work and perseverance, the 3 mantras that Saturn wants you to obey, if you will do it, then definitely fame will rise, and then you will reach the sky. And definitely that's a very good placement. If moon's position is also good and his sun's position is also good, then it's a very good position for somebody who wants to have a government job, because this native is living a very disciplined and organized life since childhood, because home environment is having Saturn. Mother is showing discipline, and it is aspecting the daily life of 6th house, law, litigation, debts and all that, and is also aspecting the 10th house of career. So it's a very good placement if in case your moon is also well placed, and in case your sun is also well placed, because sun and moon are also to be checked for government positions, because government officers and government jobs. Why? Because see, government jobs, you have to clear those exams in say 3-4 years. Sometimes it gets delayed, sometimes it gets cancelled and all that thing. So you really need to have that patience and that calm mind, because sometimes what happens is somebody's intelligent, somebody's hardworking, somebody's very good, but if that person does not have any patience, and that person is very fickle minded because of moon or something like that, or his sun is damaged, then because of sun that person's soul is saying something else, mind is saying something else, and karma is saying something else. So if the karma, mind and soul are not in sync, then it's not going to happen. But if in case Moon and Sun are well placed and Saturn is in the 4th house, then it's a very good placement for government job. So that's about the 7th aspect, which is going in the 10th house. And the last aspect, that is the 10th aspect, is going in the house of the 1st house. Okay, so this person is, whenever Saturn aspects the 1st house, the person's life becomes, very very dutiful. That person is very dutiful. Like, that person feels that, okay, my life is all about duty. I have to fulfill this. I have this duty towards my this one, that duty towards my that one, and my life is all about fulfilling duties, fulfilling karmas, fulfilling all those things responsibly. So this is about Saturn, position in the 4th house, and its aspects in 6th house, the 10th house, and in the 1st house. In case you have any question, then do feel free to let me know in the comment section. I'll be very happy to answer that. And thank you so much for watching. Hare Krishna.